Hey guys, in this video I am going to dig deeper into the Azure AI Studio. In the previous video, I have a brief introduction about the Azure AI Studio. For who doesn't know about Azure AI Studio, it is a platform to develop, evaluate, and deploy your own models on specific data. It can help us to incorporate custom copilot in existing applications. It helps us to build virtual assistants, etc. Let's deep dive into their functionality. As you can see, Azure AI Studio interface consists of several elements that will help you throughout the development process of generative AI solutions. In the home, you can see this is the landing page when you first log in. Yeah, here you can see what are the possibilities of Azure AI Studio, and here you can make your custom models on your own data. And it also shows every model in Azure AI Studio is built with a responsible AI filter to make a uh, to make filter out harmful unwanted content. And in the Explorer, we have a model catalog. It will help us to find the right model to build on your custom AI solutions. There are different filters such as collections, and in the collection we have models from Databricks, OpenAI, Mission A, Coher, different of providers. And here we have inference task as well. We have different inference tasks as well, conversational film mask and question answering conversations. And we have few fine tuning tasks as well, like object detection and image classification and many more. And we can able to filter the models by selecting a licenses from the Azure Studio, like Apache 2.2. We can filter the models that they have the only Apache 2.0 license and MIT license, OpenRAD, etc. And next we have model benchmark. Yeah, it is the place where we assess the model performance with the other models using the industry standard metrics on available data sets. Yeah. And we can able to apply filter as well as same as a model catalog. It also helps to choose right model for specific business scenario. And you can select filters like a question answering and collections like a hacking face or measure. And you can select the data sets available in the market like a GSM, 8K or LSMAC like that, so that you can compare the model performance and the efficiency. And let's go to the build. And this is the most important interesting space where you can create custom models and then train on your own data. There are few components and that will help you to build your own model. Yeah. And in the last video we have created some Azure AI Studio resource in the other platform. Let's launch from here so that I can be able to show you the functionalities of Azure AI Studio clearly. Yeah, let's go to the build. Yeah, and this project. Yeah, these are the available tools and components in the build section. The playground. Firstly, we start with the components. You will find the playground section. It offers a user-friendly interface to experiment with the generative AI models without writing the code. We have different models to start the custom model building. And here I have different modes like charts and completions, images, assistants like that. And chat model, the chat mode, this mode allows user to have a conversation like interaction with the model. And assistant, this mode enables user to design chatbots or virtual assistants. And completions, it allows user to get a model to complete sentences, code snippets, or other text formats. Images, it enables users to generate images based on textual description. And finally, the playground offers a additional options to enhance the user experience as well. Here you can see the deploy to a web app. This option helps us to deploy a model as soon as the web application, as on a web application, allowing others to interact with it. And you can select the uh, subscription location and enable a chat history or like that. You need to configure that. You can add your own data here. It allows users to incorporate own data for training the model, potentially improves performance and filter it to own needs. And can able to view the code here, Python code or JSON, and you can see the prompt flow. It will create that. Let's go to the evaluation. It helps us to evaluate own custom model performance with the industry standard metrics such as accuracy, relevance, fluency, coherence, F1 score, familiarity, etc. Let's start with that's it. Now you can choose metric evaluation or manual evaluation. If you want to know more details about this, you can show the documentation and get to know about that. And let's go to the prompt form. Yeah, prompt flow is a visual tool that allows to design and build workflows for interacting with the generative AI models. That means you can create complex interactions without needing to write a lot of code. Let's start with the next one. Here we have a create by type or like a chart flow or evaluation or standard flow. Let's start with the standard. Okay, we have a explore gallery. We have a sample prompt flows here. We can clone and let's text on this. Start with the chart, Wikipedia chart. Wikipedia. It will take some time to get cloned. Yeah. Okay, just wait. Yeah. On the right side, we have a graph which shows how the model works. You can able to customize the model to get desired output for specific needs, and you can change the flow of a model working. And have few benefits to build flows using a drag and drop interface, making more accessible to even to those without extensive code experience. So, we have tools so that you can add it to the existing prompt flow, and you can do a experiment with our own model. And finally, we have a fine tuning. Fine tuning allows us to Customize a pre-trained generative model to improve its performance on a specific task or domain. Currently, fine-tuning is available to few models for projects based on MS3. The component we have are data indexes and deployments. The data helps us to control manage our existing data. Here we can see the connection that we have made, existing connections. As of now, we can able to connect to Azure Cloud Storage, Microsoft Fabric, and OneLake and ADL Agent. We can make a new connection here, and we have indexes. By using indexes, the generative AI model can efficiently retrieve information during text generation, leading to more informative and comprehensive outputs. An index can be helpful to LLM by creating a vector, which leads to fast retrieval of information from the data source. And again, we have deployments in components. Here we can choose the pre-trained models existing in the Azure AI Studio that are suitable for our use case. Currently, pay-as-you-go model is available in the East US region. So let's go with the real-time employment. Here you can have almost over 1633 models provided by Meta, Hugging Face, Database, and many more for the specific inference task. That's it. You can able to choose one of the for use case and deploy it and use it later in the studio. And finally, we have a content filters, which acts as a safety layer on top of the model to block unwanted harmful contents such as hate speech, violence, self-harm, etc. You can create content filters using the inputs. That's it. And that's it about the Azure Studio. In the upcoming video, we can dig deeper into by using the hands-on lab. Please stay tuned, and follow us for more interesting labs. And thanks for watching up to life, and follow us for more thing about the video.